Hi, this is Dave Mulvey, and I'm going to show you how to use and assemble your SelfieCan. First off, before I show you exactly how to do that, I've got to show you what parts we have. First off, the main part is the plastic cap itself. The plastic cap clips onto the can securely, and it's really secure, as you can see. And the second part is the screw that goes into, this is actually a GoPro mount. That's what this is on the bottom. So the screw goes right in here and it tightens up. And there's a few attachments here that go onto the GoPro mount. And the main one that we have on all of our standard SelfieCans is the adapter that has a tightening screw on it and a 1/4-inch bolt. And then it also has, you can see the fork that goes right into the GoPro mount. So it is actually an adapter that goes to the GoPro mount to, we have cell phone adapters. So we have different cell phone adapters. So what we do is we line this up and the screw tightens this. So you can change the angle right there. Make sure that's tight. Okay. So the first thing is this is the standard cell phone adapter, as you can see. And how you do tighten this up is you loosen this up a little bit. It has a gap between the bottom and the top. You don't want to bring it all the way to the top because you want to use this to be able to do the final tightening. So just twist this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 4. And then you do your final tightening with this. Okay, now you have it all assembled. Then all you have to do is just get your cell phone and snap it on there. And voila, you've got a SelfieCan, a portable tripod. Okay, now I'm going to show you another adapter. Now this, by the way, this only goes in landscape or the wide mode for your phone. Some people want to have it the other direction, portrait. So if that's the case, you're going to have this other adapter, which is actually reversible. It'll screw on here, and it's actually, let me show you. It has 2 different ports. And here, you'll do the exact same thing. This will tighten up. And now, if you want to go the other direction, just unscrew this. And we go portrait. And there you go. So now it's in portrait mode. Okay, now, I'm going to take this off. I'm going to show you a different mount. Now this mount doesn't have the intermediary adapter at all. It actually has a GoPro fingers on it already. So in that case, this goes directly onto the forks of the GoPro mount. And so there's actually just 3 parts. And this one only goes in landscape mode. And it's quite stable. All right, now I'm going to show you how to mount a GoPro. So I'm going to take this off, and a GoPro, this one's already on a mount, has the forks on the bottom. Goes right into the mount and tightens up. And there you go. Now it's a GoPro mount, extremely strong. Okay, now I'm going to show you something else. Pop this off. We're going to put the forks, or put this adapter screw back in. Line up the holes. Now what you could do is you get any standard sports camera and it screws right on here. Well, thanks for taking a look at this video, and everybody have a great day.